Under the glow of flickering torches, shadows dance along ancient stones as evening descends upon a forgotten forest clearing. A gentle breeze rustles leaves overhead, carrying whispers of stories long ago. A faint light flickers nearby, revealing a solitary figure hunched over, meticulously assembling wooden blocks into the outline of a castle's walls. The air is filled with the scent of old parchment and fresh wood shavings. A wooden block slides into place with a soft click. Shadows stretch across the tabletop as evening falls, casting intricate patterns on the parchment map below. Outside, the evening breeze whispers through the trees, carrying with it the scent of earth and hearth. A single candle flickers to life on the table, casting a warm, amber glow that dances across the parchment map. Silence envelops the room as fingers trace the map's contours, whispering forgotten secrets of distant lands. The candle's light casts long shadows that seem to hold breathless tales within their curves. The map's secrets whispered under the candlelight as fingers traced ancient paths. A distant crackle echoed from outside, the soft hush of the night forest. Outside, a night bird calls, breaking the silence. Inside, a small figure pauses to light another candle, casting flickering shadows on the wall map. The room fills with a soft glow as more candles are lit. A young architect carefully traces the outlines on the map with his finger, planning each brick of the keep's foundation. The young architect's breath forms a gentle mist as he whispers measurements to himself. Outside, the first stars twinkle against the deepening twilight sky. Distant owl hoots, its call echoing through the still night. The architect pauses, looking up at the heavens, tracing the path of the rising moon with his eyes. The architect lets out a soft sigh, his eyes lingering on the moon as if seeking guidance from the night sky. In the dim light of a candle lantern, his fingers begin to sketch on parchment, mapping out the final plans for the keep's grand entrance. The architect's hand moves slowly, tracing out the final details with a sense of quiet satisfaction. The keep stands now not just as stone walls, but as a symbol of home and hearth for generations to come.